So let's make a new project and let me delete everything. Right, so let's make let's make the halo here. Let's make a cylinder and go to edit mode and make one face small like this. Now go to the shader, new shader, and turn on transparency. Oh, and delete this face and same for the bottom one. Now let me get out of edit mode and now we will make the shader. Turn on use nodes, delete the material, go to cycle render, and we will need two nodes for that. Texture coordinates and separate XYZ. Now let's go back to range engine and put the normal into the vector input. Now what we have to do is we'll need another layer weight here. Now take a color ramp, put the Z output into the vector input, and take a math node, put the facing into the value, multiply with -1, set it to multiply, and let's see what we get from this one only. Okay, nothing. What about this? All right, so let's just mix them together. Mix RGB. Connect this here and this plug here. Now let's see what happens. As you can see, we are getting something. Let's turn on shade smooth. Now it's smoother. We have basically made the halo effect properly. So let's just put this color into the alpha. As you can see, we are getting something like the halo effect. Let's make something behind that thing, behind the halo. If we press play, we can see the thing behind the halo, so it's working properly. Now what we have to do just to make the color of the halo, you can just input a material or anything you want. I'll just use another color ramp. Now it's white. I can make it maybe some different color like maybe blue. Yeah, blue. Or maybe anything else like green. It doesn't really matter. It depends on what you want. And let's say that you want it to be more intense, the color. So what we have to do is just duplicate this here and let's multiply it with like 2 maybe. So as you can see, it's now more intense. The color is more intense. So this is how you make the halo effect.